DeFi Firefly is the venture capital which empowering the decentralized interest-free financial ecosystem and aims to distribute the revenues as profit shares rewards to the stakers with Ethereum. The main mission of the DeFi Firefly is to accelerate and support the development of a better decentralized financial ecosystem, and they support the blockchain products at the incubation stage.
Feel uninvited.
DeFi Firefly defend the view that interest is not a legitimate method of the earning, even though interest seems to be the time cost of money. In the view of the DeFi Firefly, interest is the theft of the labor force. For this reason, the principle of the equitable sharing of the revenues and the transformation of the money from the banking cycle that will contribute to the real economy is the constant motto. Number of utilities offered by the DeFi Firefly, but mainly are, for example, they are giving you chance to grow your ICO startups and projects that require further investment for the expansion or are in need of debt restructure. And secondly, they evaluate the funds collected by the crowdfunding through the partnership main system and turn it into the investment. Besides being a legitimate way of the earning, partnership is also an interest-free financing method. And the best part, it is basically the DeFi Firefly is supporting the blockchain projects by the leveraging the insights, network, and access to the capital. They build the service businesses to fill the important gaps in the existing market infrastructure, and they incubate, build, and operate the businesses that provide a variety of financial and professional services to the financial institutions, corporations, and startups. And the best part about the research, they conduct the cutting edge crypto economy research, build core infrastructure, and help the projects grow. And they aim to contribute to the development and adoption of the blockchain technology. Here you can see the entire white paper of the DeFi Firefly. I will share the link of the main platform, the website, and secondly, I will share the link of the white paper. So if you are interested in the investing, so you must have to read all the things before buying this token. The main part which I love the most in the whole project, here you can see first of all it is available on the CoinGecko, and also you can check out the Etherscan address, the contract address of this token DFF. And the best part which I love the most, their advisors. You must have to check the advisors of the DeFi Firefly. Binance, KuCoin, Ampliforce, DMM, BAL, and Compound are the advisors of the DeFi Firefly. So it is okay, it will be the huge project in the future. Seriously, the advisors are the biggest one. Here you can also see on the white papers the advisors list are over there, and you can also read it on the website because it is also available over there. Now coming to the end, that DFF token holders lock their wallets for the earning stake rewards profit share. The company locks the DFF tokens in the DeFi Firefly share wallets to get the profit shares. The company manually sends its profit to the DeFi Firefly profit wallet. And soon this token will reach, now it's the time for the price prediction, it will reach up to $60 in near future. So it's your time to grab the opportunity. Supply is very low and the coin is entirely big.